Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to solve 3ds Max error report. Alright, so first up, let's try to go ahead and reset user preferences. Okay, so to do that, go ahead and find your search bar and type down %local app data % right here again, %local app data %. So just click on it. Down here, go and find Autodesk, double click, find 3ds Max. And in here we have the version. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select 2026 because I'm currently using it. Double click and find the ENU folder. And in here, just go and right click on it and just rename. Okay, rename it to enu.old, just like so. And then tap away. Once that's done, close this one. Find your graphics driver updater. For example, I have the NVIDIA graphics card. I'm going to go and find NVIDIA app. Okay. For AMD, find the AMD Adrenalin. For Intel, find the Intel app. And just go ahead over to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers. And then once that's done, close this one. Go to your File Explorer. Find Local Disk C, Program Files, Autodesk, your 3ds Max version. Go ahead and find send dmp.exe. All right. Right here we have, I think we'll have to scroll all the way down to S. Right here we have send dmp application. Right click, rename, go to the first text right here, put an underscore. All right. Once done, just tap away and refresh the page. Now close this one. You got to restart your computer. Restart. Now double click on 3ds Max and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you solve 3ds Max error report. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.